Antigua and Barbuda is a small independent island state in the Eastern Caribbean renowned for excellent hospitality services. The island boasts annual visitor arrivals in excess of 600,000. But while Antigua remains a premier destination for visitors to the Caribbean, the island's excellent communication services is facilitating a revolution which will see Antigua and Barbuda emerge as a leader in ICTs, ultimately becoming the ICT capital of the region. In December 2006, connectivity in Antigua and Barbuda was revolutionized with the landing of a new submarine fiber optic cable at Dickerson Bay by Southern Caribbean Fiber. The cable provisions 10 gigabytes of capacity, providing Antigua and Barbuda with sufficient fiber capacity until the year 2030. This connectivity enhances opportunities for more affordable internet access, cable TV, and superior broadband networks for internet gaming and e-commerce. Several government agencies have benefited from a multi-million-dollar investment in the Public Safety Communications Network (PSCN). Among the features of the PSCN is the digital trunking system, which provides radio communication between several public agencies, namely the police, fire department, defense force, emergency medical technicians, Coast Guard, and the Office of National Drug and Money Laundering Control Policy. Another component of the PSCN is a modern E911 center, which provides 24-hour service with the ability to dispatch the appropriate service agency.
911, what's your emergency?
911, what's the emergency?
To ensure that residents in Antigua and Barbuda fully realize the potential benefits of ICTs, the Ministry of Information, Broadcasting, Telecommunications, Science and Technology has established the Connect Antigua Barbuda Initiative (CABI). In its quest to promote computer literacy, 5 modern Toyota Coaster buses have been retrofitted with 17 high-speed touchscreen computers and high-speed wireless internet in order to become mobile IT classrooms. Additionally, Community Computer Access Centers (CACs) have been installed in several primary schools and community centers. These facilities are equipped with high-speed wireless internet of a sufficient high quality to enable real-time distance education. In 2010, telecommunications giant Digicel partnered with the government of Antigua and Barbuda to provide 3,000 homes and more than 5,000 public and private school students with free internet access under the Technology for Communication, Education and Empowerment Initiative. To date, centers have been launched in 5 secondary schools, namely Clare Hall, Glanvilles, All Saints, Jennings and St. Mary's Secondary. The initiative will see a total of 12 centers installed in schools across the island, complete with ergonomic furniture, air conditioning and security systems. Lime, another major player in the telecommunications market, will provision more than 1,600 teachers with notebooks and high-speed internet under the Technology for Education 2020. To date, several teachers have already benefited from the initiative.
ICTs in education are not transformative on their own. Transformation requires teachers who can use technology to improve student learning. The professional development of teachers, educators in the area of ICT integration is essential.
Each IT center has assigned community technology officers (CTOs). These trained IT personnel manage the daily activities of the computer access center.
Presently at the introductory level, the syllabus comprises of week 1 hardware software, week 2 Microsoft Word, week 2 and 3 actually Microsoft Word, week 3 and 4 desktop publishing, internet and networks. This class is presently doing desktop publishing. This is actually a final topic. The topic sometimes can be tweaked a bit depending on the pace of the class and things like that. So if we notice that the students are grasping the information really well, we'll tend to pick up the pace a bit and do things like that. So they're presently doing desktop publishing and seem to be doing very well.
The Connect Antigua Barbuda initiative is also building human resource capacity through its multilingual studies program. The program utilizes the Berlitz software series to offer free classes in Spanish, French, Italian, German, and English as a second language.
This is a program that we use to teach languages. The Berlitz system is known around the world. And here, for example, I can click on any subject that I want, any language, and I'm going to click on the French section of the software, and you can see here a picture on the screen. What happens here is that not only you have the text, but the picture and the sound. We broadcast my script to each computer through a software that we have installed here.
The Technology for Early Childhood Education is an initiative providing nearly 100 preschools and daycares registered with the Department of Early Childhood Education in Antigua and Barbuda with computers and access to the internet.
Arbitrack software, which is the technology we've created here for early childhood education, is used to manage the daycares and preschools. It stores data about the school, the teacher, the staff, the parents, and the students, and allows the teachers to produce reports, awards, certificates, and even personalized mail and emails for the parents.
The visually and otherwise challenged are also part of this digital revolution. The program employs computers, specialized software, and other IT services to assist with the education of individuals with temporary and permanent visual and physical challenges.
Any person can use. It's just a regular computer, and what has been done, we've installed the drawing application software. What it does for persons who are blind, myself and my students, is to allow us to have the same access to information technology that sighted persons.
The government of Antigua and Barbuda fully supports the use of information technology in every area of government and as a means of national development. One of its goals is to become a smart government wired into today's technology. The IT Center is responsible for implementation of the government of Antigua and Barbuda's IT policy. Its functions include provision and support of computers to various government departments, computerizing all government departments to ensure that technology infrastructure remains at the leading edge and can deliver reliable government services at a low cost. Antigua and Barbuda, the ICT powerhouse, internet penetration, mobile penetration, ICT literacy. Antigua and Barbuda, the ICT capital of the Caribbean.